You keep saying Olivia understands you, but does she know where she really stands? Olivia's comfortable, reliable, she'll always be there. That sounds wrong, Jason.
Blessy.
She's not my future, she's my safety net until I find what I really want. Some words do not break your heart loudly. They break it quietly, then leave you standing in silence.
Olivia, how long have you been standing there?
Long enough.
Wait, I didn't mean it like that.
You meant it clearly.
Returning something that no longer belongs to me. Olivia, don't make this dramatic.
I'm not making it dramatic. I'm making it final.
Can we talk?
You already did. For months, Olivia disappeared from the life that made her feel small. She stopped asking why he did not choose her. She started asking why she had forgotten to choose herself. No more waiting rooms. No more almost. No more being convenient. The woman he treated like an option began building a life that required no permission.
Olivia, your work is incredible. The whole room feels alive.
You captured pain and power at the same time. Thank you. That means more than you know.
Tonight is only the beginning. The city is finally seeing you.
Tonight is only the beginning. The city is finally seeing you.
No, I'm finally seeing myself.
Success did not make her different. It revealed who she had been before someone convinced her to shrink.
That's Olivia? Yes. Everyone's here for her? You sound surprised. I didn't know she had become this. No, Jason, you didn't know she already was. I need to talk to her. Be careful, regret is not the same thing as love. Olivia,
Jason,
you look incredible.
I'm well.
I've thought about that night so many times.
I haven't.
That's not fair.
What wasn't fair was... No. What wasn't fair was standing beside someone who had already placed me beneath everyone else.
I was stupid. I was scared. I said something careless.
Careless words come from honest places.
I didn't know I was gonna lose you.
That was the problem. You thought losing me was impossible.
Can we start again, please? I know who you are now.
No, Jason, you know who I became after I left.
Olivia, tell me I'm not too late.
You were too late. The moment you called my loyalty a backup plan.
So that's it?
That's peace.
Olivia.
I hope one day you understand this.
Understand what?
Some people are not lost because they leave. They are lost because you never valued them while they stayed.
He called her his backup. But backup plans do not walk away like this.
She did not become unreachable to punish him. She became unreachable because she finally remembered her worth.